Alright, today I will teach you how to make our character whistle. Right, so let's do it. First, I will import my audio sample. I have another sample with a whistling sound. Here it is. I will drag it to the animation beginning. We got this. And how will we do this mouth follow the audio? How will we do the lip sync, the synchronization between the audio and the mouth? So first I will draw a very simple mouth. Black color. Decrease a little bit. The first thing I will do is make it very little, right? There's so many ways you can do this lip sync, but I will teach you this way because I think it's easier than the other ones, and is the way I do. So this size, I will tell to Arttista that this mouth will follow this two bones animation, and that this mouth is assigned to this bone, right? At this moment, we will ignore this smiling mouth, and until now we got this. Okay, so now we will start to create keyframes. In every moment that the audio gets the volume higher, we will make the mouth more open, and vice versa. So here, 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 all these parts has volume more higher. So we should make the mouth more open, right? On the other moments, the mouth will be closed. Here, I will make an open mouth very close to the moment that the audio gets high, right? I will make just a little bit open because he is whistling and not speaking. And here I'm more close to the mouth. I need to create a keyframe here because the mouth will be closed here. I will go until here, create a keyframe with a closed mouth. Here, mouth open, close, just a keyframe, open here, a little bit to the top, here, close a little bit, here, oops, here, open, here, close it, here, open, close, here, open again a little bit, close, oops, open and close. Let me close it, just let's close it here. Let's press F2 to see. So what I will do now, this mouth here, from this frame to back, from here to back, we will remove it. So Ctrl F7, right? And this smiley mouth, we're gonna remove it from this keyframe until here. We will remove it. So Ctrl F7, and we got this, right? Let's watch just this part. Let's animate the second part now. So here the mouth starts closed. Here we will open it a little bit. Let's move it a little bit to the top to create a kind of more cartoon effect during the whistle. Keyframe here. Here I will close. I put a keyframe here. Here, open. Close. Here, open a little bit. Sorry. Ctrl F2. Here, close. Here, open a little bit more. Close it here. Here we will open a little bit. Here we will let close it. Let's put a little bit to the top. Here, close. Here, open a little bit. Close. Open a little bit more. We should always watch what body wave is doing. Let's close. Here. Let's open. Close it here. Open here. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close here. Open again. A little bit less. And for the last, close here. Let's interpolate to see what we got. Let's remove this smiling mouth. It will be removed from here to here. We have it selected, mouth is selected, Ctrl F7, right? On this range, it's the inverse, it's the whistling mouth that should disappear from here. So I select this range and remove this mouth out. Ctrl F7. We got this. So now let's animate the third part, the last part we have to do because it will be nice to see. Let's do it. So after animating all this, we finally get this. So here I draw a school bag, another detail I just added, and I already did follow less segment, and I am fix some stuff here. I am draw another shoulder strap here like this. I will close. Semi-color that I use it on another shoulder strap, right? It's not that good, but it does the job. Sorry, I'll send to the front of the t-shirt. Let me see here. What I will do now, take it here, Ctrl F5. And here is our character.